Okay guys, so in the last video we done this development of our disk box. Now we're going to do a development of a display box or a burrow box, and a letter box are shown. So our display box, burrow box, letter box. So for this video we're going to be going through the display box. So we're going to draw the front elevation, end elevation, and the development. So here we can see the development of this. So we can see there's the back, two sides, base, top, and the front. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts to this. And we can just check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm going to start with the elevation, which is to go from left to right. So it's going on the right, and the end view, that's B, coming from the right going to the left, so it's going to be on the left. Okay, so I'm going to start with the end elevation just because I'm going to start on the left hand side of my page. So my overall height is 70 and width is 45. So I'm just going to grab a set square. Height of 70. Might come there. Come in 30. Drop line. Come across 45, and that's broken up into 10, 20, 15 from the left. 10, 20, 15. And I want to draw these lines up. Now, our height is 70, so it's 20 for the front and 50, so 20 and 50, 70. We can draw these lines all our way across. Now we can tell from our question, this is the back, this is the front. What else can we see from here? Base, the top, and we know that these join at an angle. Okay, so there is B, the end view, and I'm just going to put the end elevation beside it, or the front elevation beside it. So we're going to come across 10 and another 90. Okay, and now we have the height for the front, and all the rest is just an outline. Okay, so we've A, our front elevation. Now I'm not going to do a sketch of this one because there's a sketch in the question in the book of what it's going to look like. So we're going to have 4 parts in the middle and 2 either side. So I'm just quickly going to see if I have enough room to put it here. So it's going to be 45 and 45 because it's on the other side. It's going to be 90 plus the 90 here, so it's 180. And I do have enough room for that, so I'm going to get it in here. Across 45. Going to come across 90 because this here is 90 for my back. And I'm going to cross another 45 because this is the same as this. This one's going to be exactly the same here, and over here it's going to be flipped. And I'm going to drop these lines because they're going to be the same width all the way down. So the base is the same, front is the same, top is the same, front is the same. Now, you can take 15, take all my measurements from what I've drawn. 15, just going to do these at the same time. 15. And my height line is still true, because these are on the same XY line, so the heights aren't changing. Continue on the XY line. And remember, you have a top to go on, so you don't want to darken this lad in. That's going to be a fold line. Okay, now we can start working out the base, the back, the top and the front. So the top is going to be 15 because it's going to flap down onto these guys. So like we did in the last video, I'm just going to use my compass. I might do it over here because I have the visualizer in the way there. And I'm just going to swing that. As you can see, that is the same measurement. I can go in heavy as can this. And yeah, that's going to be fold, 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 and a fold here. So now we can do the base, the bottom of it is going to be the overall width of the piece. So it's going to be 45 like these. We know this the same way when you do the top, because this is going to fold up there, so we know that it's going to be the same size. And then the front is going to be here. This is the front part. We know this is the front of it here. So I'm just going to take my height, it's 20. I know that from the question. Right. So now I'm just going to quickly go back over heavy and put in my fold lines. No, that is that question. Just went off a little bit here, so I'm going to rub these ones out and just put them back so that they're on the same line like these ones. Looks a little bit better. Okay. Oh, that is our development of our question.